On behalf of the organizers, partners, and participating organizations, I warmly welcome you to our gift-giving activity.
May nahanap ka pang lakas para umuwi. May tumulong sa'yo.
Thank you very much for your precious time to join us here tonight. Ang gabi po ito ay para sa inyo.
Sa mga narito po ngayon, sa ating pong minamahal ng mga cancer warriors.
Naway nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong partisipasyon. Kung ano man yung pwede namin maitulong, as much as possible, we are always willing to give you support.
It's about hope, growth in kindness, compassion, and community. Moments like this remind us that generosity still brings people together. Every gift, even tonight.
We are very thankful for helping us, for supporting us, for being there with us. Hindi po namin nararamdaman na we are alone.
On behalf of Media Mania Company, God bless and keep on fighting. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.